Your new services may include an IP5280 VoIP router. If so, please continue with this presentation. This device may be terminating your broadband connection, such as a T1, providing quality of service, separating your voice and data networks, or possibly all of the above and more. If this is a new installation including broadband services, or you have previously provided your existing IP information to your IP5280 representative, then your router will be shipped to you fully configured and ready to deploy. In this segment, we will walk through the physical setup of the device. Your router may look like this device. Depending on the type of connection you have in place, you will either be using the WAN port displayed here or the T1 ports displayed here. If you have an Ethernet handoff, such as a Metro Ethernet high-speed connection, a cable modem, or DSL connection, you will utilize the WAN port on your IP5280 VoIP router. For this, we will use a standard Cat5 cable to connect from the LAN side of your modem to the WAN interface on your IP5280 router. If connected correctly, you will see the link status lights around the port illuminate. If you have a T1 or multiple T1s, we will not be utilizing the WAN port and will instead use the T1 interface on your device. The interface ports are numbered and activate only when licensed, so your T1 will not function if plugged into the wrong port. If you have a single T1, you will be using port number 1. If you have 2 or more T1s, you will start with port 1 and go up sequentially from there. In the case of bonded circuits, the order you will plug them in does not matter. On the front of the device, you will see your T1 status lights. After you connect your circuits, these lights should illuminate, indicating that the circuit is live and communicating with the router. The other section that we will be covering is the LAN, local area network, or private side of the device. On the back of your router, you will have 1 to 4 LAN ports depending on the model. This is where you will create a link between the IP5280 router and your local area network. It is a standard Ethernet interface, and we will be using a standard Cat5 patch cable for the connection. If you're utilizing VLANs, your IP5280 representative will let you know which VLAN is assigned to which port. If you're not using VLANs, then these ports will act as a 4-port switch, and you can plug into any available port. Beyond the initial setup of the primary function of the IP5280 router, there are additional capabilities that can be configured based on your networking requirements. If you require additional services, ask your IP5280 representative for a comprehensive list of additional services that your router can support. We offer fee-based LAN consulting and managed service options based on these requirements.